Good morning, my good people, and welcome back. This is FM Show. The former president of the judiciary, or the Chief Justice of Kenya, that is David Maraga, has gone head on head with now the president, who is currently holding the highest political position in country, that is President William Ruto. Maraga has said that President William Ruto has taken Kenya in troubles. He has taken Kenya to its knees, and he is not going to stop at any point. The man is known of eating. He has terrorized the Kenyans with payslip. He has terrorized the education sector. He has terrorized the peoples who are in school. That is, he has gone ahead and brought and removed the NHIF, which was helping the health sector. So Maraga said he is in a better position to bring Kenya back to its glory. He is going to bring back the broken ties with other countries that Kenya had. So Kenya is at its need in all aspects that matters, according to former Chief Justice David Maraga, who now calls for a total overhaul. Maraga observed that the country has been run down by the current regime. The collapse in the education and healthcare sectors and the limping economy are some of the indicators. The former Chief Justice, who has lately been active on the political scene, is believed to be eyeing the presidency, especially at the invitation of a section of the public. Former Chief Justice David Maraga continues to liven up his chances of occupying the State House immediately after President William Ruto. The 74-year-old has been toying with the idea of vying for the presidency, especially after being fronted by a section of the Kenyan public that is no longer in favor with the current regime in power. According to Maraga, Kenya is hailed by, among many other things, academical impunity and corruption, disregard of the constitution, a limping economy, and a collapse of the education and healthcare systems. He also pointed out the routine blunders in Nairobi's foreign policy, which have cost the country its traditional friendships with other nations. For the country to regain its lost glory, a total overhaul would be essential. According to Maraga, he implying he was the best fit to affect the much needed change. Now more than ever, it's clear that Kenya needs a reset. We must head impunity and corruption. We must save our collapsing economy, education, and healthcare. We must reset relations with our brothers and sisters in the region and Africa. We must push for fidelity to our constitution and its full implementation. We must bring to book and hold accountable those who have flagrantly violated the constitution. It's time for true change, for a reset, he said. According to Maraga, in the meanwhile, the former Chief Justice is considered a political candidate for the presidency in 2027. He emphasized his dedication to upholding the rule of law, which is identified as a critical factor in addressing Kenya's ongoing challenges. Maraga also pointed out the interference of the national executive in the operations of the independent government institution as a major concern. So, we all know that the executive has interfered with the parliament and the judiciary. It's like the judiciary is serving the executive. The parliament is serving the interest of the executive. There is no free will or free act in those different institutions. He plans to tackle these issues if elected to the presidency. His remarks came after weeks of mounting pressure from various groups urging him to run, citing his outstanding leadership during his time as a Chief Justice. Known for his unwavering defense of the judiciary against external pressure, Maraga had a reputation as a firm and principled leader. Among his supporters is former Law Society of Kenya President Nelson Havi, who has lauded Maraga's exceptional dedication to accountability and integrity, advocating for his candidacy in 2027. Maraga retired in 2021 after serving as the Chief Justice for 5 years. His tenure is particularly remembered for the landmark annulment of the 2017 presidential elections result, making the first African Kenya, the first African country to overturn a presidential election outcome. So, will Maraga unseat President William Ruto? We all know that in Kenya, to be a leader, you need a tough skin. In Kenya, to be a leader, you need a skin that is very, very tough. And you cannot be a leader in Kenya when soft. So, Maraga is a strict adhere to the constitution of Kenya and to the rules of the country. Will he be able to come and overturn President William Ruto's influence, or bring back Kenya's lost glory, bring back the education sector to where it used to be? What do you think, guys? Leave a comment on the comment section, share to our videos, and like our videos, and don't forget to press the subscription button. Let's meet in our next video.